watching Syrian Eats. Today I'm going to show you how to make a meat pie. This meat pie is famous in Syria. In particular, it's famous in Aleppo. They make this with a little spice to it. And actually, I'm going to make this one today, and I'm going to make another one that's not spicy, which I will show you in another video. Now, this one's a pretty simple one. The other one, we are going to be making it on dough. This one's going to be on uncooked tortilla dough, which is very easy. You can find this at Walmart or at Costco. It's uncooked tortilla dough. It's already ready for you to just start spreading the meat on it and putting it in the oven. I have here, oh, I don't know why this toast isn't here. I have here 3 finely diced tomatoes. You need to try to finely dice everything as much as you can. I have here 1 green pepper, 1 jalapeno pepper, and half a yellow pepper, also finely diced. 1 large onion, finely diced. 5 cloves of garlic, finely diced. 2 pounds of ground beef. I have here 2 teaspoons of red pepper paste, mild. 2 teaspoons of salt. 2 teaspoons of allspice, and half a teaspoon of Aleppo pepper. And then I also have here 1/3 of a cup of olive oil. So we're gonna put all the ingredients together. We're gonna knead it all together, and then we'll have our meat mixture, and then we will put our meat mixture on our uncooked tortillas and then bake at the highest temperature. And I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so now some recipes that I've seen people do before is they put everything in a food processor, and then they just add it to their meat, and then they put it on the dough. Now, whenever you put it in the food processor, it waters down your tomatoes, it waters down your peppers, and you just have a lot of water that you added to your meat, which I do not like. And that's why I like to chop everything up finely, as fine as possible, and then add it. Now what I'm doing is I'm just trying to massage my meat before we start adding our ingredients. So I'm gonna start out with our onions here, with our diced onion. Then we're gonna add our tomatoes. This because this is too small for me to mix it in. And then I forgot to tell you, we are going to need some pomegranate molasses, which I've used this in my ingredients in the past. Okay, we're gonna do 1/4 of a cup of pomegranate molasses. There we go. I'm gonna add our salt, our allspice, our Aleppo pepper, okay, let's add our garlic. And our peppers. And you can use whatever color peppers that you like. Since our tomatoes were red, I went ahead and did yellow and green peppers. And of course, one of these is a jalapeno peppers for spice. You can take that out if you cannot eat any spicy food or if you don't like spicy food. And I used 88% lean ground beef. Okay, and then now we are going to add our pepper paste. And then after we mix that in, we will add our olive oil. And now the pepper paste that I put in here is the mild because we went a little spicy on the jalapeno, and then we did add some Aleppo pepper in it. So I don't want it to be too spicy. Oh, this smells amazing. Okay, and then we're gonna add our 1/3 cup of olive oil. Okay, so now that our meat stuffing is ready, we are just ready to get our tortillas, put it out on our tortilla, and then bake it in the oven. We're going to bake these on 450 degrees for about 6 to 7 minutes or until golden, just like in the video. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe for more videos.